If you've ever logged into Steam on a friend's PC, a shared computer, or an old device you no longer use, you may be wondering how to log out of your Steam account from another device. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to sign out of Steam everywhere at once, so you can protect your account and make sure nobody else stays logged in. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right on in. First, open Steam on your desktop client or go to the Steam website in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile name. This opens your account menu where you'll see a few different options related to your Steam account. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage your profile, security, and login related settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Account Security section. This is the area where Steam keeps the options for protecting your account and managing active access. In that section, click on Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is the security feature that helps control login sessions and account access. So this is the right place to look when you want to disconnect other devices. After you open Steam Guard settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, you should see a button labeled Sign Out Everywhere. Click that button and Steam will log your account out on all devices and sessions connected to your account. That means any other computer, browser, or device that was signed in will be forced to sign in again. This is especially useful if you use Steam on a public device, if you shared access with someone else, or if you simply want to make sure your account is fully secure. After you sign out everywhere, it's a good idea to change your password too. Especially if you think someone else may have had access to your login details. That extra step gives your account even more protection. And that's it. You've now logged out your Steam account from another device by signing out everywhere through Steam Guard. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.